Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about DePIN project, and I intend to give you guys two DePIN projects in this particular video. I'm going to go through all what you need to know, what you are to be doing, and how to mine these projects. Now remember, DePIN projects are essentially any project that makes use of your data connection in order for you to farm token. You just have to leave it connected, just like what you see here. This is the very first DePIN project that we all participated in, which is called the Grass network. And remember that they all pay, this grass actually pays very massively, guys. The grass actually pays very massively. So how does it work? Now first of all, you are going to use the link I'm going to drop on this video. Okay, now let's look at how to set up our DePIN project. Remember, for our DePIN project, we make use of Mrs. browser, which is a Web3 browser that we're going to be using to operate it. If we're going to be using our cell phone, you can either decide to use a laptop to farm the token, which is what I'm doing right now, or you use Mrs. browser. That is the only two ways you can use for this particular project. Now for the two projects we're going to be giving, the two projects we're going to be talking about is going to be okay, it's going to be, what's the name, I think this is Nodepay and Dawn. These projects are actually booming right now due to the massive success of the Grass node. Remember, Grass actually gave good amount of money to its users, so we have to literally take good advantage of this. Right now I'm already doing it on my system, and I'm using my phone to do explanation on how it works, and from there I will might decide to use another account to farm on my phone, right? Because I literally have steady network connection. Now let's not talk too much, let us go about how to register it. Now first of all, you have to copy the link to your Mrs. browser. Okay, open a fresh browser, a new tab, right? Then you paste the link over here. Paste the link. Simply paste the link. Oh shit, I'm coming. Okay, then you click on reload. Okay, it's very easy, guys. You just have to follow this video explanation, and what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding our Nodepay to our extension, and we're also going to be downloading the app for us to, in case maybe you are not on your phone, you can actually come and collect some blocks that they usually collect blocks every 8 hours in this Nodepay project. Right now, let's wait for it to load, and see what we're gonna do. Seems like the network is terrible. I'm coming. Okay, Nodepay has loaded up, so all you have to do is put in your Gmail, that you're gonna use for registration, then put in your password, your username, and that's gonna be for this. Wait, I'm coming, let me put in, I'll get back to you. Okay, now that I'm in right now, so I'm gonna click on register. Okay, and I wait for it to load. Okay, capture token, I don't know what I'm saying. Click on register again and see what's gonna happen. Capture token is required. Okay, then I feel like you will have to load up the page and try again, I think. And let me load up the page and see what's going on. Okay, one of the reasons why this stuff wasn't working is because of the recapture token. The recapture token was not showing. So if you have issues with this recapture token, all you have to do is go to the login page of the update, then try to log in, then come back to this page again. When you see the recapture token, the login page, make sure you click on it so that it shows successful, then come back to the registration page again. That's how to get this thing there. Now the next thing to do is to click on register, right? Then you wait for it to load. Then it said registration successful, back to login. So essentially you put in your password. Okay, access my account. Okay, wait for it to load. Then this is what's gonna happen. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, now that it has loaded, you have to follow Nodepay. Click on follow. Okay, you have to do the tags that you see on your screen. Okay, after following the account, I think you have to go back, then you're all set, right? This is the connection. This is how your page is gonna look like. Now we have to add our extension, right? Then all you have to do when you want to add your extension, click on connect. Okay, then it's gonna take you to web page. Then this is where you're gonna add the Nodepay extension. Look over here, look at it, add to Chrome. Zoom and click on add to Chrome. Then it shows add Nodepay extension. Click on OK. It's very easy. The registration is very easy. Then you just wait for it to load. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, it is done. Click on this over here, then you see Nodepay extension. You click on it, then you wait for it to load again, then click on activate. Then this is it, you are connected. Network connection is 95%. So all you have to do is to just leave your stuff connected, and you are going to keep on farming those tokens. Leave it like this, and this is all am I trying to say? Okay, as long as it's connected, that means you are going to keep on increasing your token. That's just it. Now let's go to the dashboard. Remember, there's an app for it. The app is where you get to claim every 8 hours. So we have to check out the app first. We have to add the app to our phone so that we could access our accounts or through the app, or use Mrs. Browser. It's advisable to use Mrs. Browser while you use the app to get your daily claim, like your 8 hours daily claim. Okay, this is the daily treasure. Click on claim. I guess that's for that. Then what again? Okay, I think that's all there is to it. Okay, I'm coming. I'm looking for where I could see the app. I feel like I'll be dropping a link to download the app down below, so you don't have to worry. I'll drop the link to this update, then I'll drop the link to download the app. So all you have to do about the app is to log in, and that's all there is to this update. It's just like Grass Network, and I'm 100% sure it's going to be paying December. I think before the year runs out, we're gonna be getting something from this update. That's just all there is to it. Now let's talk about the other one. The other one I want to give you guys, which is the down. This is the other update. This is another, DePIN update that requires your data connection. Let's go to that one and just do the registration. This one is very easy. Just click on here. Click on here, then allow it to load. Okay, then it's gonna take you to the Google store. Okay, so you're just gonna add it. The link I'm going to drop is going to be easy, so you're just going to add it to your desktop. Click on, oh sorry, this is not, sorry, you have to add it to your Mrs. extension, not your normal browser. So you don't click on the link, you have to copy the link to your Mrs. browser, because this is more compatible compared to any other browser, because it's a Web3 browser. Mrs. or Kiwi browser, those two are the ones you should use. Then you paste your link here, then you click on copy. It's gonna take you to this. So all you have to do is add to Chrome. Okay, add to Chrome. Okay, then you wait, then you click on OK. Then it's gonna load up. Then you're gonna see it by your extension. You're gonna see it as part of your extension. Click on here, which is the part of the extension. Then look for what's the name again? Okay, done. Sorry. Okay, yes, done. So you wait for it to load. They said that welcome to the Dawn validator system. Click on continue. Then you have to put your email. Make sure you use a referral link. Don't just register like this. Using referral link will give you a boost, so always use a referral link. Okay, then you wait. Okay, then you put your email. Sorry, you have to click on register, because since it's a fresh account, click on register. Okay, then this is where you're gonna put your referral link. Make sure you use a referral code. I'm gonna drop the referral code down below. Okay, now let's fill in this form and I'll get so guys, so that's all there is to the update. If you have any issues, just tell me down below. Some of it, like to do your registration, can be frustrating at times, so don't get angry repeating the process, because I actually did, like, I had to repeat the process like 3 times just for me to go through, just for the registration to go through. So try repeating it a couple times. If it doesn't work, then you tell me about it, then I'll tell you what to do. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to use a referral link, and have a nice one, I guess.